You're watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations. Welcome to the Principality of Monaco, the world's second smallest country. Nestled on the stunning French Riviera, this tiny sovereign state is synonymous with opulence, high-stakes glamour, and breathtaking Mediterranean views. But Monaco is far more than just a playground for the wealthy. It's a place where a rich history has perfectly blended with modern luxury. At the heart of it all is Monaco Ville, often called the Rock. This fortified headland has been the seat of the Grimaldi family, one of the oldest ruling houses in the world since the 13th century. In fact, their dynasty was cemented in 1297 when Francois Grimaldi, disguised as a Franciscan friar, seized the fortress. This strategic location has ensured its independence and unique status for centuries. The name most people recognize is Monte Carlo. This district only truly rose to global fame in the mid-19th century when Prince Charles III established the legendary Monte Carlo Casino. The income from the casino was so successful that it allowed the country to abolish taxes for its residents, cementing its image as a destination for the elite. Walk the Place du Casino, and you'll feel the energy of history and luxury radiating from every meticulously manicured corner. But perhaps the most thrilling aspect of Monaco is its connection to speed. Every year, the streets of Monte Carlo transform into the legendary Monaco Grand Prix circuit. It's the most prestigious and demanding race in Formula One, where cars fly past grand hotels and weave through impossibly tight tunnels and corners, a stark reminder that this stunning city is also a challenging, high-octane stage. From the tranquility of the exotic garden to the drama of the Grand Prix, Monaco offers a travel experience that is truly one of a kind. It's a sovereign state that encapsulates history, royalty, and high-fashion glamour in just 2 square kilometers. Thank you for watching Explorer Vacations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. For travel ideas about Europe and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.